everyone, I am here today to show you how to share screens on Zoom. As you can see, I am in my Zoom meeting right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to begin by looking at the share screen button at the bottom of your Zoom menu right here. Okay, so you can see share screen. It should light up in green. Click that one, and for example, you want to share a presentation on your computer, so you just choose that one. Okay, and then click share, and voila, in Zoom you are already sharing your screen so your participants can see your slide. Okay, and one more, I would like to show you how you can share the Google Jamboard with your participants. First, I'm going to show you how to share it on the screen. This is my Jamboard. I already have it. I'll just share. Okay, and it should be there. I'll just move this around so you can see. You're seeing my screen. Okay, that's why you can see all of this. So I'm moving them around. Now, how do you share your Jamboard with your Zoom participants? You can click share up here in the Jamboard. Okay, so you can share with people and groups, or you can just copy the link so that, for example, the people in your meeting can just use the link. Okay, so got it. I've set it to restricted. That means people will not be notified via email. They can just click the link and access the Jamboard. Okay, so I'll just copy this link. The link is copied, so it's done. Okay, I'll just click done, and I'm going to stop sharing. I'll go back to the main Zoom, and here we go. I will open up the chat box, and then I'm going to type a message. There we go. I've shared the Jamboard link with the participants. Therefore, whoever is in a meeting can open up the chat and they can click on this Jamboard and it will take them there. Okay, for example, I'll just click on it, and then I am already I've already been taken to the Jamboard. Okay, I'll just share my screen again. This one. Okay, there, participants have been taken to that Jamboard. Okay, stop sharing. And that's all from me. Thank you.